Vibe coding. Without a doubt, one of the most controversial aspects of technology right now. Chances are, if you suck at coding, you probably love it. But if you're good at coding, you probably hate it. And all of this hype has really made me wonder, are these projects actually good? Or are they just like a bunch of other AI-generated slop that's on the internet right now? And so in my last video, we analyzed over 20 different vibe-coded projects and ranked them from S to F tier. And to be honest, only like 3 of them were actually good. But I have an entirely new list of submissions today that we're going to go through, and we're going to see if one of these vibe-coded projects is actually good, and if one can finally get the first S tier of this series. Would be amazing if a one-time payment, no subscription text-to-speech solution is mentioned. Read better with audio, boost comprehension and retention by reading and listening simultaneously. M-dash, looking AI generated right there. But this landing page looks good. Definitely using Shad CN here, but it looks good. This is cool and all, but if you're going to go through the effort of downloading this, I would just suggest doing something like this. Local AI Reader GitHub. And here we go, where I'm sure you could use one of these tools or a different tool just to do the exact same thing for free. And I'm going to put this also in the C tier. Okay, next one. I've been building a t-shirt brand for miserably employed as a way to express my incredibly negative feelings about layoffs in the tech market.
Nice job, team.
Graphic tees that say what you really think. These graphics definitely look AI generated. This is a way to express your incredibly negative feelings about layoffs in the tech market. Get it. You're making your own business here. But now I have to be that person to say, are you taking away jobs from an artist? And so it's kind of counterintuitive to your whole claim here. But for really small businesses like this and for channels like mine, I don't see any problem using AI tools. Bigger companies that have the resources to hire real designers, I would say that this is not good, but for this, I think it's fine. And so, miserably employed, I am going to put you just on the D tier for right now. And let's go to the next one. Aren't you tired of classic habit tracking apps? Wouldn't it be better to have an app that starts getting to know you right from the start and prepares a plan for you to reach your goal based on your situation and current conditions? All right, so this is an app. So let's download this. Lost in the fog of goals. So let's do lose weight. All right, cool little tutorial here. I really liked that I didn't have to create an account. So let's do health and fitness. My goal is to, let's just say, lose 20 pounds. Okay, I like this. Let's create the plan. This is taking quite a bit of time. Looks like this is done now. It took 2 or 3 minutes to complete. I like this, that it gives me actionable steps to do instead of just generally losing weight. It's giving me 35 things to do, which is actually a really good idea. And let's look at my calendar for tomorrow. Yeah, so now it's giving me recipe research for tomorrow, and then it breaks them all up into actionable steps. The UI on this could be a little bit better, but honestly, I really like this. I might try to use this actually in my real life. So great job, Luminario. I am actually going to put you on the A tier. On to the next, airprofitslab.app. Complete beginner-friendly system to build and launch profitable SaaS with AI. I'm kind of skeptical already. This can't be really anything too special. There are so many other tools that do this exact same thing for free. Use the Google CLI. It's free. It's open source. It gives you 1,000 requests per day for free. $25 isn't crazy for a one-time payment, but I'm definitely not going to use this. I'll put it in the D tier for right now. On to the next one, the Threadline app. Welcome to Threadline, definitely Shad CN right here, your AI-powered wardrobe assistant for smarter styling. I've seen a few solutions like this. I've never tried one of them, so let's see how this goes. So I don't know here if this is actually doing anything AI generated. I'm clicking generate and it's just doing the same outfit. So cool idea in theory, but I am also going to put this one in the E tier. All right, Borea AI. It's an AI editor. Imagine ChatGPT, but for editing videos. First AI video editor you control by typing. I'm sure whenever this does actually come out, I'm very pessimistic that it's going to be anything good, but it's just a wait list, so it doesn't work. So I'm also putting this one in the E tier. Simutrader.verso.app. Stocks and crypto trading simulated with AI agent chats. There's so many things just about this post. Stocks and crypto trading simulated with AI agent chat. There's so many words there that I just hate in that sentence, but let's try it out and see how it works. Free and open source. Free trial period. I don't want to start a free trial. I'm sorry, guys. If someone actually knew the secret to making millions and millions of dollars in the stock market consistently, they definitely wouldn't tell you. And this doesn't seem to be like learning trading. Am I trying to learn day trading? Day trading is just gambling. So for that reason, I am also going to put this just in the E tier for now. On to the next one. A typing practice website where the more you type while keeping a high typing rate, more cats show up. Welcome to Typing Kitties. Have a perfect typing experience. The more you type, the more adorable cats. All right, I'm interested. I'm clicking sign in and it's not working. I was actually excited for this. It looks pretty unique, honestly. I really want to try this, but unfortunately it's not working. But I am sorry, typing kitties. I was excited, but unfortunately I'm also gonna have to put you in the E tier. But on to the next one. Handably.com. Revolutionize recruiting with AI. There's so many AI recruiting things. I'm already extremely skeptical. Yep, Shadsian. Eliminate phone screens forever. Join the 2500 HR leaders. Beta starting July 2025. Okay, it's currently June 30th, 2025. Are there 25 people already on it if the beta is starting in July? And then it says there's 7 people on the wait list. I'm gonna put this in the F tier. On to the next one. 15waystofprofit.com. Replace your job in 1 year. What is your current job? Doesn't make money. What is your hobby or business idea? I actually like this. This actually gives good little ideas. To me, this is a definition C tier. Next one. Oh, a recommendation platform for only long-form media. Recommendations for people you trust. All right, I will make an account. So it's giving me some recommendations on 2 videos. So if I had to take a guess, this is probably the founder. Really good idea, honestly. UI isn't the best, but it looks fine. I'm going to put this in a B tier because I'm probably not going to use it. The loafapp.com. Welcome to Loaf, live on a fraction, your personal budget companion that helps you slice your income using the 50-30-20 rule. Okay, that's cool. Yes, this is a cool app. I like the interface. It's different than anything else that I've seen so far. So I'm also going to put this one in the B tier. Seems like it works and it seems pretty fun. Okay, catdoes.com, the no-code AI app builder that transforms conversations into fully functional native mobile apps. All right, let's build my first app. Create a new project. Let's call it Game. So I connected my Supabase. That's actually a pretty cool feature. Okay, so unfortunately I'm out of my free Supabase integrations. But overall, this seems to be working pretty well. I'm gonna put this in the B tier as well. I would love you to mention Sideloom, a platform where people can give feedback. I like this. This is nice. Roll up your designs with expert feedback. Sideloom is a feedback platform where designers can request fast, expert feedback on their work, from portfolios to UI designs, and get responses. You can sign up as a pro, or then you can get paid to give feedback on different designs. So this is actually a really good idea. I'm probably not going to sign up for this. It's funny that it says 0 AI here. That's great. Yeah, I think this is definitely a lot of the apps that I've looked at could use something like this. Sideloom, I'm also putting you in the A tier because that's a really great idea. I'm building a C++ code generator that helps build distributed systems. I've been working on it since 1999. That is older than I am. So he linked me to another Reddit post. Okay. Unfortunately, I do not do C++ ever. I definitely agree with this person here. You have a messaging problem, but hey, you're a programmer, not a marketer. I feel you. It's from 1999. But he linked to a different Reddit post. So I'm going to put this in the D tier. I built an F1 bingo game called lightsoutbingo.com. Personally despise F1 with a fiery passion, but let's see. So okay, so it's just a bingo card. I think this is a fun idea, honestly. I would be really interested once the NFL or like an NBA version came out. Yeah, I'm going to put it in the B tier. Nexus, a cross-platform application loader similar to Overwolf, but not tailored towards games. Let's look at the marketplace. So it doesn't look like it's super active. The newest one is from 11 days ago, which isn't terrible. Let's sort this by like count, most to least. This ChatGPT one is the biggest one with 3 likes. So I'm also just going to put this in the B tier. My project is a 670-page interactive book on algorithms aimed at students, self-taught programmers, and interview preppers. I wouldn't expect it to be free, but only 1 free chapter. Come on, man. So cool. It teaches you different algorithms, and it looks like it does it in an interactive way. Okay, I see. So it was made with Unity. It's a good idea. Press any key to continue. Terms of use. But yeah, this is really cool. This is a much better way of learning, I feel like, than just simply reading something from a textbook. Having something interactive like this, I think, is amazing. So I'm going to put this one in the A tier as well. Okay, Trend Search is a tool that helps you find what people are talking about on Reddit. Don't know what your audience is talking about. Trend Search finds real discussions, keywords, and questions from Reddit. Perfect to validate your ideas, SEO, content creation, etc. I think this is a really good idea. It looks like I can't put in my own keywords. Yeah, I can see how this would be useful. It doesn't seem to be very well applied. It's not letting me like even search what I want to search, which definitely doesn't make me want to try premium. I'm just going to put this in the C tier. Okay, and now for the last one of part 2, we're going to look at this one. Hey, I'd love for you to check out a project I built, fixmypdf.in. It's a privacy-first PDF tool that runs 100% in the browser. No file uploads, no size limits, no tracking. Cool. I know this is a big problem if you search like PDF merger. It's like impossible to find a tool that doesn't cost money for some reason. It looks like it has all these cool little tools. Let's see if they work. Let's try compress PDF. So let's browse a file. So we'll upload the card that we made earlier. Let's compress it, and it just works. Wow, this is really good. I mean, yeah, so let's do this again. Upload my image. Let's do this picture of me, and yeah, look at that. I can just put it anywhere that I want right here. Yeah, this works great. Just does everything here, download it, and yeah, boom, look, it's right there. Yeah, honestly, I might save this to my browser and actually use this in the future because not that I have to work with PDFs all that much. This is working quite well, and I don't need to create an account or anything. This is great. I think this is a perfect place to end the video because Fix My PDF, I think I'm actually going to put you as the first and only project so far in the S tier. Like, I couldn't think of anything wrong with it. It does exactly what it says, and it does it simply, and it does it effectively. 10 out of 10. Great job. This is the state right now. We're a vibe coding project tier list. We have a lot of different projects so far. And if you have a project that you want to submit, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to react to it in my next one. Okay, I think that's it. See ya.